In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now scroll down again, click on one-handed mode, and tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode in order to activate it. Finally, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back to the standard size screen by clicking on this area or simply swiping up. In order to disable one-handed mode, click on the same no blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!